I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to silence those constant pings from Trading212, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Trading212 app. Launch the Trading212 app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon of the settings gear, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access notification settings. Scroll down to find the notification section within the account settings. This is where you can manage all notification preferences. Step 4. Toggle off notifications. You will see various notification options. Toggle off the notifications you want to silence, such as trade alerts or market updates. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your settings, make sure to save your changes. Look for a save button at the bottom of the screen to ensure your preferences are applied. Sometimes, you might forget to save your changes, and the notifications will remain active. Always double check that you see a confirmation message after saving. I hope this helps you enjoy a quieter trading experience. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.